So today I'm doing the first oil change on the Foxbody. It may have just been done. I didn't ask the previous owner because it didn't really matter because I just wanted a starting point for where I knew it was done. So if I do it now, then I have a pretty good indication of where it stands as far as oil changes go. So we're gonna get this changed today and get some fresh oil put in it. You know, I'll be completely honest. I really thought that my days of rolling around on a concrete floor in a garage were over. Because long before YouTube, I did a lot of stuff on my 94 Cobra and other cars, and I really didn't think I'd be back in this position doing this again, but I guess when you buy a Foxbody for a project car, it's kind of what you get. Honestly, I don't even know what kind of oil filter this is. I don't recognize the name. Could be worse than Fram. I didn't think that was possible, though. This oil did look kind of old, so I'm glad I'm doing this. I'm not sure exactly when it was changed last, but at least I know it's going to be changed now. Here's our mystery oil filter. It's a MicroGuard Select. I never heard of them before. Why can't people just buy Ford stuff? It's so much easier. So this is what we have going back in. Regular Ford Motocross filter, which these are just really good. And some Mobil 1 5W30. Another reason, I haven't sure what's released for videos yet on this compared to that. But to get an oil change done for this, bought those at Walmart for $38. To do an oil change on this at the dealership is over $200. Even if you do it yourself, you're buying 10 quarts of synthetic oil, which is going to run you well over $100. And getting this up in the air, taking the belly pan off, doing the oil change is so much more of an endeavor than putting this up on jack stands with subframe connectors on it. It went up really easy, and it's just a much easier process and much cheaper on top as well. Probably should have wrote on this before I put it on, but